Hi, today I'm going to talk about limiting beliefs as a healthy hack. Maybe some of you will not agree with me or understand what I want to say, but you can do everything in the world for your health. But if you don't believe that you can get better, then nothing in this earth will help you. So first, we need to change what we have up here. That's why I'm considering this as a very healthy and longevity hack. It doesn't matter which area of life we are touching: business, family, friends, emotional well-being, or wellness and fitness, or in general, we need to check out limiting beliefs. For example, we have to identify them first. Maybe we don't know we have limiting beliefs. For example, I never was able to say, I will be speaking like this in front of the camera without the scenario, without any script, without anything in a not mother tongue. That was my limiting belief long time ago. And trust me on this, I was like 9 years in the making. I was doing videos, lives, since 2016. And my family and friends, what is she doing? She looks so weird. You know, that was my limiting belief. I can never be successful, but I am sure. And yeah, let's say some people will say, yeah, maybe now you got your self-confidence. No. When I was exactly 60 years old this year, something happened to me and I said, okay, if I will not go after my goals and dreams, when I will? I do not have unlimited time on this earth. So I have to do something. And a long time ago, I cleared that first obstacle. First obstacle for us is, what will others think of me? Yes. What will others think of me if I pursue my goals and they do not resonate with my goal? They will laugh at me, they will mock me. I do want to do it with the other profile on social media, or I should hide myself. Don't do that, because everything starts with your authenticity. Because pretending to be someone you are not is difficult. It's impossible. They will find out. Me, I'm exactly how I am now. I am like this. If you see me somewhere, we will talk like this. Yeah, unfortunately, I see myself, so I see my self-expression, but in the future, I will change and I will have different type of camera. I'm just doing my videos out of my heart purpose. And I believe that I can just share what I was going through and help somebody, or maybe inspire. Even if I change one person or motivate one person, that is enough. That is enough. So limiting belief, you have to identify them. And then you have to ask yourself, is it true? Is this based on facts? So let's say you are thinking, I'm not enough, I will never be enough. You're comparing yourself to other people and you want to look or do or behave as other people, but you can't, because you are a totally different person. You are unique, one of this kind in this whole world, just one. So start being proud of who you are and try to better yourself every day. And compare yourself yesterday, week ago, 2 months ago, 6 years ago, not comparing yourself to other people. That is where your confidence starts. And the reward, when you see, oh, I did that. 6 months ago, I was thinking that. And that's why the fear of not changing is being stuck. It made you stuck in your position and you are just admiring all other people. I want to do that. I want to do, but you can. And what is the first thing? So identify your fear. I'm not good enough. I'm not loved, and all this stuff. And then consider yourself a friend. What advice would you give to your best friend? If she or he comes to you and said, I do not feel enough, I am like ashamed, I don't want to go in a crowd, I don't want to be exposed, I don't want to talk to people, but I want to have a boyfriend or girlfriend, but I would like to meet people. And then you have to start communicating a little bit, even if you're introvert. Who would say I am introvert? 70% of introvert. Because I can socialize all day long, 2 days, 3 days in a row. But then I need 1 month to gather myself and do things by myself, all by myself. And there's nothing wrong with that. So accept who you are and give yourself advice as you are talking to a friend. So what advice would you give yourself when you come with a limiting belief? I'm not enough, I cannot achieve this. And you know you are listening. So whatever you would tell to your friend, tell yourself. Tell yourself, you are good enough. Do not think that way. Stop thinking what other people will think of you. Give the best advice to your friend, to yourself. I will make a longer video on this topic, but this is just how is a little detail how you start. First, you have to listen to yourself, and then you have to acknowledge which is limiting belief to you, and then give yourself advice like you would give it to your best friend. I would like to hear from you. I would like to see who is seeing my videos, which country are you from, what do you think of me? Please comment, I will respond. I will gladly respond. And yes, of course, if you helping me to subscribe, watch plenty of my videos. I have 100 of them. Some are shorts, some are from my travels, and some are tips how to get better and healthier in life, because I cured the diabetes type 2 in 6 months. No pills, no nothing. And this is like when I am like, oh my God, I do not have to believe what doctor said to me. I can test everything on myself. And this is what I'm doing. I'm documenting my journey and my life. So I didn't go so niche, only healthy and anti-age or longevity. It's everything of what interests me. So a little bit of variety of my playlist, but take what you like, watch what you like, and please subscribe and comment. Let's communicate further. Have a lovely day.